Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on how easy it is to elevate the pop-top roof on the Ford Transit and also on the VW Transporter. So it's literally as simple as this. As we get into the van, we've got two straps which we're going to undo, and all you've got to do is literally put a bit of pressure on the top of the roof and it will elevate all the way up to the top by itself, as you can see. So the gas struts do all the work by themselves. You don't have to have any heavy force pushing it up. It's very, very simple.